For anyone in sales, upselling is a familiar concept. It's about encouraging a customer to upgrade to a better product or add items that complement their purchase. It works because buyers often see value in improving or completing what they're already buying, which leads to higher order totals. Upsell.com brings this capability to Shopify stores in a smooth and unobtrusive way. It connects to your store and allows you to configure upsell offers at multiple points, from product pages to the checkout. With over 45,000 stores actively using it and more than 2,500 five-star reviews, it's proven to increase revenue efficiently. In this video, we break down exactly how Upsell operates and the ways it can boost sales for your business. To get this process started, the first thing you must do is get upsell.com installed on your site. Now keep in mind that this tool is built specifically for Shopify, so you will surely need a Shopify store up and running. Once you have your store and your developer account ready, the process is pretty straightforward. You will head over to upsell.com and click that install button. It takes just a moment to sync up with your store's data. Once that installation wraps up, you will be automatically redirected right into the Upsell dashboard. This is where the actual work starts, and you can begin setting up the entire upselling flow that is going to greatly help your total profit. The setup process is structured around two main areas: upselling before a purchase and upselling after a sale. To fully optimize your results, there are 7 pages you need to configure. We'll go through them step by step so you can see the process in action. It begins with the product page. This is where your upsell strategy takes shape. First, you determine the maximum discount you're willing to offer. Next, you select the widget style that will display your product recommendations directly on the page. Once that's done, you enter the editor to make the adjustments and see the changes live. Under the main product, a recommended item appears with the discounted price in the widget. After saving your settings, your product page setup is complete. Now every visitor will see additional relevant products at discounted rates, which naturally encourages them to consider adding more items to their order. We started with the product page, making sure everything is optimized for revenue capture. Next up is the cart page. This is where customers are reviewing what they've added, so it's prime real estate for presenting discounted products. We choose a widget, decide its placement for maximum visibility, and test how it engages users. Then follows the cart drawer page. Now this is a preference for numerous contemporary outlets. Every time your customer engages the cart drawer to examine their selections, they will see discounted products sitting right there, enticing them. It feels very intrinsic to the purchasing journey, which is exactly what we require. Proceeding directly forward, we possess the checkout page configuration. Now it's worth mentioning that checkout upsells are exclusive for Shopify Plus store. This one is substantial because you possess their complete focus here. We can engineer a refined upsell that manifests just as they are inputting their specifics. It must be non-intrusive, so we will set up a small add-on product that they can add with a single tick. We will save that and move on. Consequently, we will program the post-purchase page. This is arguably the most potent functionality. Upsell allows you to add up to 2 one-click upsell pages, not only one. The client has already remitted, and now we present them with an offer they can't resist, which they can add instantly. We will enter the select a high-margin item and set a timer to create a bit of urgency. The output result shows a clean, dedicated page asking if they want to add this last item to their existing order. Next is the thank you page configuration. Even after the sale is totally done, we aren't finished. On the thank you page, where they see their order confirmation, we can display a pop-up or a banner with a discount for their next order, or perhaps a product they missed. Finally, we have the order status page setup. This is the page customers bookmark and check repeatedly to see where their package is. So after setting all the pages up, let's see how they actually work. Upsell.com allows you to segment your offers so you can always show the right product at the right time. On top of that, you can do A/B testing with your offers to see which one looks more lucrative, which is a cherry on top. Now is the moment to observe the process unfold in a real scenario. Seeing the setup at work provides clear insight into how each element influences behavior. Imagine a shopper browsing a snowboard. Immediately, they see a widget promoting related gear at a noticeable discount. With the deal in front of them, adding the item feels sensible. In the cart, even more relevant items appear, again at appealing discounts, supporting the customer's growing interest. Opening the cart drawer delivers another set of suggestions integrated so naturally that clicking them feels like a continuation of the decision they have already made. At checkout, the subtle add-on sits unobtrusively beside the form, offering value without interrupting the flow. After completing the payment, the post-purchase offer appears, stronger, more tempting, and effortless to accept. The thank you page then grants a future incentive, and the order status page continues the product discovery experience. This chain of small decisions demonstrates how one product can gradually evolve into a much larger order, all because the upsell system guided the customer thoughtfully and consistently. All right, so it is time to shift focus and examine the back end. We intend to show you how the dashboard assists to get real numbers to see the growth in sales. Right down the dashboard, you are greeted with a beautiful array of analytics. It shows you exactly how much revenue is generated purely from the upsells we just set up. You can see the conversion rate for each funnel, product page, cart, post-purchase, and so on. This allows you to see which offers are working and which ones might need a tweak. It gives you raw, authentic data on your return on investment, which shows you the exact dollar amount added to your total sales. It's incredibly empowering to see those numbers climb day by day. To conclude this analysis, if you are operating a Shopify store, you absolutely require Upsell.com. It streamlines the entire process of increasing your customer's basket size without being pushy. With its smooth integration, massive user base of over 45,000 merchants, and proven results, it's a logical choice. Don't leave money on the table. Install Upsell.com today and configure these 7 pages and watch your revenue grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more software insights like this.